So we have our first team day back together again, socially distancing of course, and we thought we would do a roundup of our favourite wellness products. So that can encapsulate everything from supplements, holistic, anything holistic nature in nature, skincare, self-care. So fire away, Marina.
My first one is from My Clarins. It's a blow and matte stick. It's really handy to pop in your bag. It's super cute and tiny. You just kind of swipe it over your T-zone, anywhere you have big or larger pores rather, or get a little bit greasy, and it's really good. It mattifies everything and just makes it look all seamless and beautiful. My second one, and probably my favorite, is the Toka Lab, the Superfood Collagen Elixir powder. They have collagen, superfoods, and probiotics in here, and 2 flavors, turmeric and matcha. Matcha is my favorite with almond milk. It's like a really good 3 p.m. pick-me-up coffee substitute. It's super, super yummy. And then my last one is the Rose Gold Shimmer Scrub from Frank Body, who are great at scrubs. This one's got sugar and coffee in it, and it leaves a subtle, I think,
subtle for Marina.
Yeah, well, take that as you will. A really nice rose gold kind of glimmer on your skin after you come out of the shower or bath. It's quite beautiful, and it's a little bit luxe, something fun.
Yeah.
I love that. It's such pretty packaging.
Yeah.
And Tess?
Okay, so I'm really into my supplements at the moment, and this is one that I've been taking for years, but this is a new iteration of it. It is the Glow Powder from the Beauty Chef. And this is their sort of new and improved formulation. So the whole ethos of this brand is all about beauty begins in the belly and improving your skin health through improving your gut health. And it is really delicious as well, so that really helps keep me consistent with taking it every single day. So I love that.
Do you just have it in water?
Yeah, just with water, and it's really delicious. I think people put it in smoothies. I think they also say you can have it with like yogurt.
Yeah.
So really any way, but honestly it's really delicious just with water as well. So
I take it a lot too.
it's so good. Next one is I've been really trying to get better quality sleep. I think that we've all been struggling with our sleep a little bit lately. So I have been using this from This Works. It is their Love Sleep pillow spray. Their original pillow spray is like a cult product that everyone loves. It's so good.
I use the body oil of that same scent. It's beautiful.
So good.
And the body wash.
They have such a good sleep range. But this one is like the original one, but it has lemon and patchouli in it. So it smells beautiful, and I think it just really creates a sort of ritual before bed, which is so important for your sleep hygiene. Just signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and to get ready to sleep.
Sexy sleep.
Sexy sleep. Sexiest sleep ever. And then my final favourite is from Real Elemental Practice. Now this isn't a brand that I really heard much about. I think it's a Korean brand, and this is available in the Maya Beauty Emporium, where they have some interesting sort of international brands. And this is their BioFresh mask. It's a calming mask. It's really beautiful for dry skin, hydrating your skin, which is really important during winter. And I just find that it is really beautiful and soothing. A lot of hydrating masks can leave my skin feeling a little bit irritated, whereas this doesn't at all. So just thought I'd mention this.
Yeah, it's very beautiful fragrance.
Yeah, I just haven't really heard anyone talk about this or the brand in general, so I thought I'd mention it.
Amazing.
Packaging. Yeah, gorgeous.
Well, my first one is Burning Up a Storm here. This is Maison Balzac Incense Japonais. So it's Japanese incense, which is super thin, beautiful. I love the scent. It's quite woody. Like it's really, I'm really into woody scents, and
It's gorgeous.
it's just such a beautiful ritual to light incense. I've always been an incense fan, I'm a bit hippie at heart, but I love this. It's a very elevated luxe incense, and I love the hand as well. It's just such a beautiful piece. Oh, we've got kids arriving. Second one is the De La Hart Lymphatic Drainage Tool. So this is amazing for moving the lymph around the body. I saw it first on Melissa Wood, who's like a Pilates guru. On her, she does an amazing massage using it. And it's just great to kind of get fluid through the body, increase circulation. And I'm going to keep trying it 3 times a week to see how that goes. But I'm already feeling a bit lighter in my hips and my bum, where I usually hold a lot of water. So I think it might be doing something, I'm not sure. And vitamin D3 spray by Truth Origins, it's called Shine. I came up in recent blood tests as being vitamin D deficient, like many of us are, so I was looking for a good supplement. I hate taking tablets, and I've got so many to take at the moment, just vitamin C and all the boring ones. So I thought I'd try this. It's peppermint flavour, so it's actually like having a mouth spray. I love it to have it after my coffee in the morning, just kind of like freshens my breath, but also it's a novel way to get your supplements. So yeah, it's a good one to check out. So we're very healthy around here, aren't we?
Try.
All right, see you guys.
See you. Bye.